and again the next part, go to mechanical design and part design, the name handle, and click OK. Okay guys, let's create the second part. Here select sketch, and here I choose YZ plane as my sketching plane. Okay, next I select profile option and draw this profile what I am exactly drawing now. Here I use this 3-point arc, and I end this profile here and turn off profile option. Let's give some constraint to our profile. This one is 100 mm, this is 30 mm, and the distance between these two lines is 20 mm. Here this is 65 mm, and select these two lines and right click on your mouse to get this box, and here select allow symmetry line. The symmetry line is our vertical axis. The last one, the radius of this arc is 15 mm. That's all. And come down here, we need to make one 3-point arc, so I select 3-point arc. Here draw one arc like this. After that select constraint, the radius 530 mm, height 150 mm, and next we need to mirror this arc to this side, so I draw one center line here from our origin. Next select the click the arc and select mirror option, and now the mirroring element is this center line. After that here select this arc and draw one arc like this. Here that's all. Now our profile fully constrained. Okay, I exit from here. I need to create one circle here, so I select circle, diameter 4 mm, and the distance between these two is 22.137 mm, and the distance with this vertical line 11.611 mm. That's all. If then exit from your workbench and select pad. Here the length value is 7 mm, and make sure to check this box mirrored extent and click OK. Next select this face and select sketch option. Here hold your control button and select these 3 edges and turn them into 2D elements by using this project 3D element option. After that select offset. Here drag your cursor inside of this profile and press the tab button for 5 times to give value for this offset. Our offset value is 4 mm, and press the enter button. Next fill this gap with line, fill this gap and then change this 2D elements turtle lines, change them to turtle lines, and click away and turn off this construction mode and come out from the workbench. For that I select pocket option, the depth is 2 mm, and here mirror this depth, mirror this cut to another side. Here the mirroring element is YZ plane and click OK. Next select edge fillet and select this face and this another face. Here the radius is 1 mm, and that's all. We need to fillet here also, so I select fillet. This one is 30 mm, this one also, and click OK. Okay guys, next we need to create a part here, the jaw, the holding jaw. So I'm going to insert one part. For that, go to insert and select body. Here you see this. Now we created one, inserted one body. Right click on that body and go to properties. Here feature property, the feature name. Here our feature name is jaw, JAW, and apply and OK. And right click on this new part. Here define in work object, select this feature. Now I select our YZ plane and I go to sketch. Here draw one rectangle and select constraint option. Relate this rectangle with this point. This two is coincidence. Height 10 mm and the length 51 mm. That's all. Next, this line we need to change this to data lines and turn off construction mode. Now select profile option and draw one profile like this. It looks like teeth. After that select constraint, right click and select vertical measure direction. The value is 1.5 mm. Again select, right click. Now horizontal measure direction, this one is 1.5 mm, sorry 1.5 mm. Okay, now select this point and this point. The distance between these 2 points is 3 mm. Okay, and turn off constraint mode and hold your control button and select these 2 lines, and here select translate to make teeth all over here. So the instance value is 16, and first click this point and then next up to this point. That's all. We created the creeping teeth, and then exit from your workbench and select pad. Here the length is 18 mm, mirrored extent, and click OK. That's all. For the visual purpose, I am going to change the appearance of these parts. So first, part body 1, handle, go to property and here graphics. Here select this or this color, this red color, and click OK. Second, jaw. Right click on jaw and go to properties. In graphics, select white color and apply and OK. That's all. Save this part here. Save. Next, create the next part. So I go to mechanical design and part design. Here the next part will be hook jaw, HOOK JAW, hook jaw, and click OK.